Hi, I'm Nathan McCellan. I'm a web developer and software engineer here at FabCom. A lot of the job responsibilities that I do are basically maintaining current code base, adding to the code base for clients' existing websites, building out new sites, new pages, new features, and a little bit of app development on top of it. I'm from Seaman, Ohio. It's Seaman, as in on the boats, Seaman, which also doesn't make sense in the middle of the Midwest. It's basically kind of like a farming town. What I like best about my job is that I get to be a madman. I get to find the best approach to anything and hit it as hard as I can, and it's encouraged. And the products that we see because of that are because of pushing those lines, of pushing those boundaries and seeing like, how can we make this newer, better, stronger, faster? And that's kind of what it's all about. As far as the hobbies and interests go, huge on gaming. That's kind of another big part of the culture here. A lot of game enthusiasts. I love the competitive games. I'm kind of competitive in everything I do. I think that's kind of true for a lot of the people here, actually. I love code. And then music is probably the other one because it's kind of the same thing in a lot of ways. It's fluid creativity. It's whatever can happen up here, you could put down on the fretboard. And that's another big thing as far as like who I am. When you think about other agencies versus FabCom, think about it like chain restaurant versus farm to table. With FabCom, when you're talking about the business strategy, think about that like the farming. Everything that we're growing and pulling out of the soil with our own two hands, that's where it starts. Then you pass it on to the creative talent. Think about those like your chefs. Those are the guys that are going to find the best way to utilize and to put together those ingredients to make the most amazing thing that they could put on your table. And then when you look at the new tech, think about that as your plating, your presentation. The way that you put that together in a way that makes people say, I've never seen that before. Like, I've never seen that put in front of me like that. And compare that once again to those chain restaurants that grab something, throw it in the microwave, heat it up, ta-da, here's your food. It's a world of difference that you can't even begin to compare.